Come take a shot with me. Clot, this look worse than the last time to pussy clot. You know, say them say we get more snow, but it don't look like it. Shit. I remember the last time snow was up to my fucking knee almost. Forward. Make a shot go up on the main strip. Shit is white out here, boy. And times like this, you have to walk in the streets. Clot.
Hey, good morning, brother.
Morning, sir. How's it going?
Alright, how's everything?
I can't complain.
Unbelievable.
I know, right? Just soon as it went away.
We just saw the grass.
I'm saying, it's crazy.
It's huge.
Yep.
This was big. This
Uh,
was not really slow.
I think we got more the last one.
More this time, right?
No, the last one.
You think so?
Yeah.
You know what the thing is? The wind, it moved a lot of way. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because if you go to the backyard, it's a lot of snow.
Yeah?
Yeah, but he wasn't that much because I think it was the wind, though.
Uh-huh.
But it was a lot of snow.
It's a lot.
Little by little. Just be careful.
Yes, sir. You too, man. All right. That boy said the snow is up to your knees in the park. It's the fucking wind. God damn. It's so white out here. What happened? He's stuck? What the fuck this truck doing? That boy do not need to be out here.